Welcome back to Bougie TV. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. Listen. I need y'all to really pay attention to what I'm about to tell y'all. Like, y'all need to stop sleeping on Mississippi bands. I keep trying to tell you that this is why I'm advocating for them, because they got a lot of talent and we need to showcase them. But y'all need to really pay attention to this one. This band was sent to me by a special request by email. Now, normally I don't read my emails after a certain time, but this one caught my attention. It says you should react to the showcase to not only put a junior college out there, but to show high school students that if you want to do a trade or something and be in a band, this band is the band to be. Some changes has been made over the years with the band, FYI. Now, this band I'm talking about is Coahoma Community College Band. You're probably thinking, what is that? Who is that? What does that got to do with this? Listen, you need to watch. And I think they're located in Mississippi, I think. Yeah, I'm kidding. They are, yeah, Mississippi. Had to double check that, my fault. Wow. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest with you. They got 6 UFOs, right? 7 mellophones. I don't know how many trumpets. Trombones probably about 9, 10. But they sound good for a community college band. Yo! Wow. Ain't no excuse why y'all band can't sound like this. Ain't no excuse. Shout out to the band director, man. Shout out to the band director. Ain't no way this community band. This ain't no community. This gotta be a university band. They loud. They are loud. Oh my God, they're loud. To be that size and you're pushing watts like that. Yo, shout out to the band director, man. I think he was from Whitehaven, I think. that was good, drumline. I ain't gonna hold you. Normally, I don't even be paying attention to drumline like that, but that was actually clean. What you got for us? What you got for us? Good attacks, good phrasing, good phrasing, good phrasing. Okay, okay. They sound really good, man. Now, fellas, hold on. Now, fellas, now, respectfully, respectfully, did y'all see what I just seen right there? Do you see the velocity? Did y'all see that? See, I see the Mississippi women. Let me tell you something. Mississippi women, they interesting down there. I ain't gonna hold you. They a little thick down there. All right, listen, that right there, that's not fat. That's PHAT. That's a beautiful thing. Gotta love it. They getting it though. They getting it. I ain't gonna hold you. They getting it. Drumline, they in that pocket, they in that zone. That's what I love, man. Okay, mellophones. Come on. Hold on now. Wait a minute. It's only 7 of. Y'all sound better than. Jump up. Wow. They pushing. It's only 6 of them, and they pushing like it's 25. What am I listening to, bro? This ain't a community college. This is not a community college. Ain't no way. This is an all-star band, bro. All-star band. Did y'all not hear this? Boy, let me tell you something. Y'all need to stop sleeping on Mississippi bands. That's all I'm gonna tell you.